In this tutorial, I'll show you how to calculate dates in Smartsheet using simple formulas that can automatically handle schedules, deadlines, and monthly planning. Start with the today function to display the current date. Simply enter 2. This automatically updates each day without any manual changes. To calculate the next Monday or Friday, combine the today and weekday functions. These formulas help you quickly identify upcoming workdays for meetings, deadlines, or project planning. For monthly planning, you can calculate the first day of the current month using date, year, today, month, today, 1. This formula always returns the first day of the current month. To find the first day of the next month, use date, year, today, month, today, plus 1, 1. This automatically rolls forward to the next month, making it perfect for forecasting and future scheduling. These date formulas can save time, automate recurring calculations, and keep your Smartsheet projects running smoothly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Smartsheet tutorials.